It's time for more GLaDOS, and it's going to be a quick one today because most of the things I've been working on have been CAD and code and spray painting, which is really not the most riveting footage, so I'd rather just give you guys the meat. Now, I've gone ahead and mounted the speakers and electronics inside her head so that we can test out her audio functionality, which we'll do at the end of the video. Ooh, just look at that tidy cable management. Now, I've also reinforced her neck mechanism, or neckism, if you will, because if you recall from the last video, she rapidly decapitated herself, which is undesirable. And this consists of a new rod end bearing, which is seriously rated for 15,000 pounds of static load. I could pull a car with this. Now, the real reason I chose it is because it has a 60-degree range of motion, which is pretty wide for one of these types of bearings. And it mounts via a 1/2-inch rod. This is just a tube for right now, which means that the overbuilt neck assembly will be doing a lot more work rather than just looking cool. And if you've noticed things that look cool, there's magnetic spokes. These all have 6mm rare earth magnets, and I've gone ahead and built GLaDOS her face. That's right, fiberglass reinforced 3D printed parts, primed, painted, and ready to go 100% more GLaDOS face. And it fits like a dream. I'm so happy with the way that turned out. All right, let's go ahead and turn her on. Good, and let's see if she'll talk to us.
I sincerely hope you weren't expecting a response, because I'm not talking to you.
Huh, well, we'll work on that.